Okay guys, it is the time for the trending market for the week, and we'll be checking all these assets one after the other. Okay, so before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to our Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you're getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out, and of course everything I'll be doing right here is going to be from the higher time frame. Okay, so whenever you are trading, you should be able to balance between the higher time frame and the lower time frame, okay, so that you can have a beautiful trading journey. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with Boom 1000. This is Boom 1000. Right now I'm on 1 hour time frame. Okay, and of course I'm using the trend milker trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Right from this support zone, it's picked up an uptrend. You can see the yellow flag, but got to this resistance zone, this particular one. It was unable to go further, and of course it's had a major pullback which got to this region, okay, which is a support zone. Okay, and of course went back up on uptrend again with this yellow flag, and of course got to this resistance zone, and right now we should be having more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So this should be more of a downtrend than an uptrend. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so let's check out Boom 500 right now. This is Boom 500. This had been on uptrend right from this support zone, got to this region, had a pullback, went back here and had another pullback, and of course it kept on going up and having pullback, but broke out above this resistance zone around there to get to a new one. Okay, this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, but if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will go fully into a downtrend. But for now it is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Next asset is going to be Crash 1000. This is Crash 1000. This had been on uptrend from here, from this region, got to this resistance zone, had another pullback, and of course went back above it, and of course it played around there for a while. Okay, last week I told us that it has been playing around there, so we should focus on this region. Okay, so it got to this support zone again and went back up, and of course still on uptrend. If it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, which is here, then definitely it will go back on downtrend and try out this support zone again. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend, but once it gets to the resistance zone, then it should sell again if it's not breaking out from there. Okay, now let's check out Crash 500. Crash 500 got to this resistance zone, and so till it got to this support zone, remember it also respected it around there. Okay, so it went back up again and came back there again to try it out, but it broke out below it this time around, and it had been on downtrend since then. If it does not break out below this support zone, then definitely it will go back on uptrend, but for now it is still downtrend, or it is still on downtrend. Okay, so the last asset is going to be V75. Let's check it out together. This is V75. V75 actually started a downtrend from here, got to the support zone, then went back on uptrend, but didn't go too far before trying out, going back to the support zone to try it out again, but it was unable to break out from there again, so it's going back on uptrend this time around to try out this support zone, this resistance zone this time around. If it breaks out above it, then it will buy more. Okay, so this is still more of an uptrend than a downtrend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today, and of course all you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of it, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.